I got too many games. I got to at least try them all. This is my first impression backlog in Death March. Here we've got A equals B, a one instruction SOLang. So, basically, this is about what it seems to be about is they made up some kind of weird programming language, and then you have to complete little puzzles. So, settings, okay, English, yada yada, good, fine. About this game is work of fiction, any similarity, yada yada yada. Inspired by, okay, a lot of the Zachtronics games. That makes sense. I promise A equals B because it's an original work. No similar projects were referenced during development. Okay. Uh, Compiler, principal course, project, late submission. Hello, Professor. I'm a student in your compiler principal class. Sorry, I missed the deadline for this class project submission. The reason, according to the class projects document, a student may choose not to use the given framework and implement a compiler on their own. And then I decided to take it a step further, create a compiler for an original programming language. Since this goal was more difficult to accomplish than expected, I exceeded the deadline. I hope you can understand. Course report PDF. This PDF is actually usermanual.pdf with flavor text. Please read it. Okay, and it pops up a PDF, which is probably not getting picked up on the screen, but yeah, whatever. Minimal programming language designed for string handling. It has the advantage of simple syntax, easy to learn, convenient to code, etc. There's a wide range of application prospects. In fact, this document is A equals B is user manual. Work of fiction, okay. Instruction set includes string 1 equals string 2. Find the leftmost occurrence of string 1 in the string and replace it with string 2. Okay, yes, that's all. An A equals B program consists of several lines of instructions. Each line must include exactly one equal sign or be a blank line. Read the execution orders. 1. Read the input string starting from the topmost line. Find the first line that can be executed. If found, execute that line. Go to step 2. If unfound, return current string as output. Other, okay, pound stands for comment. Non-ASCII carries may only be used as commentary. Okay, so special characters looks like. Interface description. Task description, log. Okay. All right. Sure, this doesn't look that bad. 1-to-1 A to B. Input. A string of A and B and C. Output. Replace each A with B. Constraints. Click the eye above hotkey to open user manual. Okay, this one already has the stuff in there. Looks like maybe one of them was incorrect. All right, accepted. Wonderful. Use that to turn it off. Compiler principal course project late. You call this a programming language? Uppercase. Okay, replace each letter with its uppercase. A equals A. B equals B. C equals C. Is this it? Okay, I guess I did this backwards. A equals A. B equals B. C equals C. Now let's try this. Okay, I think I'm getting it. Bam, accepted. 1 to 3 singleton. Input a string of A, B, and C. Output replace consecutive repeated letters with a single letter. Okay, so this one is going to be A. A equals A. B equals B. C equals C. Is there a hotkey for going through this? Okay, look at that. Simple enough. Singleton 2. String of A, B, and C. Remove consecutive A's. Okay, so we only care about A's in this one. Okay. Just leave it empty. Oh. A and then AA equals empty. Okay, then A equals empty. Okay, so okay. Huh. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Constraint input length is under 7. Okay. Okay. Let's go add all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, they're going to have the weird case in there. Let's go. Bam. Recompiler principle. Okay. By definition, A equals B is a programming language, and the document didn't restrict what language I can choose. Sort. Input a string of A, B, and C. Sort the input in alphabetical order. Sort in alphabetical order. Okay, how are we going to pull this one out? Okay. So, AB equals AB. Yay equals AB. AC equals AC. I'm just putting the ones that are already sorted in there just so I know that I have it. And then BC equals BC. CB equals BC. Okay, yeah, we got to take these out. We can do that with a comment. Okay, pretty simple so far. 1-6. Compare. Input a string of A and B. Output the most common letter. Okay, so BA equals AB. So that way it'll sort it. Okay, this one's a bit trickier. Let's see here, what do these buttons do? Oh, it just changes the text size. What does this do? Okay, it just opens up the thing, opens up the uh, command prompt, or the manual, I mean. Huh. Okay, so line 1 will sort it, and then A, B equals A, and B equals B. Okay, I'm not sure if that's actually going to do anything. Well, let's give it a shot. Let's sort them. Okay. This one, oh, nope. Okay. We need to add another line down here, so in case there's far more A's than B's or whatever, then A equals A and B equals B. So the program basically just goes until it can reach the end of the program. And once it can, then that's the result. Okay. Bam. Okay, this is working better than I was expecting it to. This is going to be some weird case where it ends up breaking. Okay, there we go. Completed chapter 1. Compiler pro. Okay. I have to point out your so-called programming language can't even output hello world. It is unable to perform any of the tasks required by the scoring criteria. Okay. So I completed chapter 1. How exactly? Trial version. I thought I had the full version. Okay, I guess maybe I don't have the full version. Let's see here. Okay, so these are the chapters right here. So this would be uh the next chapter. But anyway, that's good for a first impression. It seems neat. Now it can output Hello World. The title says it all. Course report to PDF. Brings up the thing again. Ooh, the updated instructions. If string is found, end of the program immediately and replace the entire thing with string 2. New feature is bolded. Following characters are reserved. Equal, open and close paren, and pound, or octothorpe, if you will, brackets must occur at the start of left or right string in pairs. Keyword is placed in the middle. Execution order. Read the input string. Start by the topmost line. Other pound sign. Okay. All right. Let's see if maybe this one has a. Okay, so we can return a value. Okay, let's see here. Why is that a wrong answer? Oh. So anything else. Let's just try equals return hello world. Okay, so no matter what it enters now, it'll just return hello world. Okay. Are you trying to make me laugh? Yes. Okay, a string of A, B, and C return true if the input contains at least 3 letter A's. Otherwise, return false. Okay, A equals return true. Okay, let's see here. We want BA equals AB, CA equals AC, and sure, we probably need to include CB, EA, or BC, and equals return false. This is actually turning out to be pretty interesting. I am actually enjoying this. Kind of don't want to end the recording here, but you know, who knows? Save it for an actual playthrough, you know what I mean? Let's speed it up a bit. Since it's such a simple language, I'm not really sure how they're going to do the more complicated stuff later on. I assume they're going to have to add more complicated things. All right, return true if the input contains exactly 3 letters. Hmm. Oh, but if it's only A, B, and C, A equals true, B. Huh. Don't think I can actually do that. Just hard code it. Because if it starts off with 3 letters, so actually what I need is if it contains any combination of 4 letters, then that's, well, first off, let's make it easy on ourselves. So BA equals B, CA equals AC, BC equals CB. So they'll at least be in order. So we can at least assume that. 4A equals false. A B equals false. C false. Let's copy and paste these. Hold on. Okay, I can't do the fancy thing where you can copy whole columns. Or can edit whole columns, I mean. Okay, this one's going to be arduous. Oh, wait, and we can also assume that these are always going to be in order. Oh, yeah. Make it a little bit easier on myself. So A, B, B. So this one we don't even need. A, B, C. These two cannot exist. And now these ones. So this one. Okay, these ones can't exist. Okay, so it's a little easier than I was expecting it to be. And logically, they cannot exist. Okay, so B and B. And then the only one left is, well, then we can have BBC, C, B, B, C, C, C equals. I get the feeling it's probably some special case I'm missing here. Then there's C, 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 C equals false, return true. Anything equals return. All right, let's give this one a shot. Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't account for. I accounted for if it had too many, but not if it had too few. Okay. Now we can do the brute force all three of them. And we can assume that they are going to be in order. B, B, C, A, C, C, B, 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 C, B, C, C, and lastly C, C, C. And then anything else. All right. Well, ABC should have hit ABC right there. Why did it not hit ABC right there? Can I put a breakpoint or something? Oh, it changed it to ACB. Okay, I must have a logical error right here. Yep, yep. That should be CB equals BC. This is a pretty interesting thing. You can actually do quite a lot with just a few simple commands, you know? Wrong answer. Okay, so ACCC. Okay, we are missing ACCC. Figured there'd be at least one. Bam! Look at that. Okay, let's get a little more complicated. Okay, I should stop now before I get into before I turn this into a full playthrough. So anyway, A equals B. Surprisingly enjoyable. I mean, it's pretty simple. There's no music or anything, but yeah, I'm liking it. I'm enjoying this. Or let's play this on stream or something. Anyway, till next time, later.